searing it in the smoke. Now, our capsicum. See what I told you? To cut them roughly. Let it go in there. Got a red one. I decided to cut this green one in long and half. I'll do the same as the other red one. And keep going. As soon as you hear the bubblings going down, don't stir our fish. Just put the try to push the vegetable into the cream, into the curry, so they can cook at the same time as the fish. But our vegetable, it doesn't have to be cooked. You need that crunch taste, isn't it? Well, let's keep going with this. I got a couple more to go. Now, hopefully they, the people in there, sitting around in there, hopefully they're making rucks to go with curry, fish curry. And that's it. I did it. And that's our fish curry. And keep stir, keep moving it around. I can hear my neighbors out there, I don't know, playing with each other or like abusing each other. I don't know. I don't know half the time. One last piece of capsicum to go in there. Okay. Feel like a curry for the rest of the street. But I bet the rest of the street when I eat this. Run around. Yeah. Got our curry, our fish curry for tonight. Smells so good. I will add more curry leaves. That curry leaves, you know, it should be growing everywhere in the world. Give the flavors to, you know, everyday people's food. Okay, I'm going to turn this down. Now what I have to do, the last thing I do is to put some herbs in there. My favorite herb in a sandwich, everything. Cut off some. Beautiful smell. That's our green for the veggies. If I have my way, there'll be a lot more of this green. It's just beautiful. There you go. More curry. You know, I like to cook this and make this because I like to eat it more often. And if you cook a lot of them in heaps, you can put them in the fridge. It tastes better the next day, or the next day, or the next day. So if you make, when you make this kind of food, they put a lot of spicy and things in it. Don't be scared to make a lot of it, and then put it in a container. When it's cold, shut it up, put it in the freezer. You might feel like it next week, or maybe the week after, but I tell you, it tastes better as days goes on. I put a little bit more of fish sauce because you see I didn't put any salt in there. this fish sauce is gonna put the saltiness in our food. And more of this. So a little bit sesame seed oil. There you go. Stir carefully. When you stir, you carefully stir because you know you don't want to mess the fish up. Isn't it? There you go, guys. My fish curry. You can eat it with anything. Bread, rice, taro, green bananas, everything. And here's a piece of fish. And I'm gonna have to taste. Oh my gosh, that is so delicious. This is the kind of food when you know, when you eat and you feel like you're full, you know, you filled up, and you still want to eat it more. This is what I'm talking about. Fish curry, nothing else. And with rice, bread, taro, potatoes, anything else. And if you've got some left over, you're lucky, because you know what? It's gonna taste even more better the next day. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. It has been a good night, and I hope to see you guys soon again. And subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching, and God bless, and I hope you try this recipe. You can put anything in it, you can add anything, and you can take anything out. Okay, you don't have to put chili. If you like curry and you don't like chili, the curry comes from turmeric. You know, the turmeric that make the curry yellow, they have no chili on it. So you can make curry without chili. Just a flavor your family enjoy it, or the rest of you and your family enjoy it. But the chili and the spicy lover, they can add their own. So don't be scared to cook up and let it share with the rest of friends and family. Okay, guys, thank you. I talk too much at the moment. Okay, I'll see you next time, and thank you for watching. God bless.